Hi everyone, thank you for staying tuned. My name is Sarah and we are in St.Albert Dodge's showroom. Right here is a 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn. So just kind of starting with the front, obviously you can tell it's a little bit bigger than normal, so that we did do a 6-inch lift on it. Okay, you're going to have some beautiful chrome detailing with the Patriot blue coloring of this vehicle. If you come around to the side here, you're going to see that it does have the upgraded tires with the brushed aluminum rims here, giving you an overall diameter about 35 inches. We did painted fender flares, which obviously looks really nice with the vehicle. You obviously have the heavy duty mud flaps as well. And again, it's on a 6-inch lift, but it's also still the 5.7 liter V8. If you need to haul anything, this one's gonna do it for you, okay? So inside, we also did custom leather. So that is the Diamondback Katzkin leather package. So you can actually choose the kind of different colors of the leather as well as the stitching. But we just did a nice black leather with an offset gray here, okay? I'm going to show you a lot of interior features, but that's going to be in the next video here. But in the back, you're still going to get your USB outputs. You got your 115 volt, you're going to get a little bit of storage, and you have your boxes here in the back. And with the 2022 models, there's no longer a little bump in the middle there. It's actually going to be a straight across floor throughout, which is pretty cool. You got push release gas tank with a capless tank there as well. Again, you're going to continue seeing the lift, upgraded tires, the chrome detailing. You have the hitch receiver, the wiring harness, backup cam, and an easy open tailgate. I'm going to show you some interior features, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, thanks for staying tuned. We are inside the 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn. So 5.7 liter V8, like I already told you, you're going to be able to haul stuff with it. Obviously it has the brake controls right here. You have the gear limiter. It's going to have the tow haul feature as well. It's going to give you that extra power. Anything that you need to move, holiday trailers, toy trailers, anything like that, boats, you're going to be well equipped, okay? This unit has a lot of storage. You have some storage pockets kind of right on the side right here. Obviously all throughout the door, you have one glove box, two glove box. This one's obviously locking. You got the full center console right here. So you got a first tray right up here with a USB in it as well. And you got the second tray, but you can actually move this. So here, as you're going to see, it's pretty deep. There's also some dividers in here that you can use, or like I said, if you wanted to kind of hide that tray right here, you can move that. And you also have a little bit more room right here with a 115 volt right here, a 115 volt in the back. You're going to be well equipped, like I said. Right here is a little tray for your phones, which is pretty cool. So you just would slide it in right here. These little notches are for your cords, so your cords don't get kind of kinked up. You don't have to replace them so much. You got a little slot right here, as well as some USBs, okay? So you obviously have your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, that kind of thing. You're pretty standard. You're going to have your audio features kind of right here on your steering wheel. You have your Bluetooth, your cruise control. You can still change your digital screen right at the very front, showing your text messages, your fuel economy, your trip A, trip B, your speedometer, kind of little things about your vehicle, like if you have low tires, things like that, okay? Bringing you to the center console. So we did some changes in regards to the software in the center console, but let's look at the buttons first. So like I said, you have your brake controls, right? Toy haul button. You obviously have your park assist buttons that you can take off if you don't like them, because some people don't like that, okay? You have dual climate right here. No more arguing about who's hot, who's cold. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. If you don't like the buttons, you can always use the climate and the touch screen, okay? Obviously these are grayed out because the vehicle's not actually fully on. But your home screen is going to be the biggest difference. So you can actually customize this, right? So if you don't use navigation a lot, but you use, let's say, your climate, okay? You can actually put your climate here. You can also switch these around. You can have more. You can have one big, and when you go back to home, it's all going to be how you want. This is equipped with profiles. So now you can have different profiles. So one driver, two driver, you know what I mean? As a secondary driver, I can go in here, press number 2, and it actually sets my screens and everything like that how I want them, and also with my phone, which is pretty cool. Okay. You have AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, and Bluetooth as well. Okay. You have navigation. This is your phone controls. You can have favorites. Shows your text messages on here. It'll play them out. You have vehicle information, and you have your apps. So you can do favorites. So if you use some things very regular, you can do that, or you can just see all. And as you can see, it has Apple CarPlay, it has Android Auto. Like I said, you can access your backup cam, your assist. So if you're in like, you know, kind of an emergency situation, you can use that. The SOS system has wireless hotspot, all things like that, all included. As well with this vehicle, you're going to also have the panoramic sunroof. Now these sunroofs are on restrictions for any kind of new vehicles. So if you get a sunroof vehicle for the 2022 year, it's actually pretty great. This has 40 kilometers. It's brand new, 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn, upfitted here by St.Albert Dodge. Give us a call, 780-458-8660.